Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to graduate from college. These will be the top 10 things you will need or you may use to graduate from college. So one of the first advice I would like to give you is to have good organization skills. You want to make sure that you stay on top of homework, make sure you study before your tests, and don't procrastinate. The second thing you want to do is maintain a good GPA. So by doing that, you would do good in your online classes, pass them with like A's or B's. The third thing you would like to do is work with others so that they could help you with classes, or you could just use someone to hang out with whenever you do have free time. The fourth thing you want to do is take the classes required for your degree, obviously, because you will need that in order to graduate. The fifth thing you want to do, which was one of the most important ones, is to make sure you actually like your career that you're pursuing in. You don't want to do something that you don't really like at all. The sixth thing you want to do is actually enjoy your college life. Don't really stress about anything. Just keep it all cool and relaxed, and that's why you need friends to help with you that. The seventh thing you want to do is make sure you ask professors or tutors for any help needed. That'll help you pass. And the eighth thing you want to do is, that I would like to do is earn a teaching certificate, since that is what I'm going towards. And since that, I would have to add the ninth thing I would need to do is do observation hours. So for 8 and 9, you want to make sure you actually get what you need for like the career you're pursuing in, and the ninth would be make sure you have experience for your career. And the 10th thing you want to do is make sure you get a diploma and cap and gown for when you graduate on graduation day. So that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed and hope you all can use this for your graduating. Thank you.